Forget everything you knew about Samsung foldables. For 6 generations, we put up with tall, narrow cover screens that felt like typing on a bookmark. The Galaxy Z Fold8 burns that design draft completely at just 201 grams, lighter than an iPhone 17 Pro Max, and an insane 4.5 millimeters unfolded. Samsung hasn't just slimmed this device down. They've fundamentally overhauled the aspect ratio into a passport-style machine. Is this the pinnacle of foldable design, or did they make key trade-offs to get here? Let's dive in. First, the ergonomics. Holding the Fold8 folded feels natural. The cover screen is now a 5.5-inch 1016 panel running at 120 Hz. Apps no longer feel cramped. Full keyboards actually work without misclicks. Unfold it, and you get a 7.6-inch 4:3 main AMOLED display peaking at 3000 nits. But the real breakthrough isn't the size. It's Flex Titanium. Samsung replaced the old plastic substrate with a titanium alloy matrix film, combined with a rigid titanium plate underneath. Result? Structural rigidity jumps, and the center crease is reduced to an absolute whisper, virtually disappearing under direct viewing. Under the hood, Samsung packed the custom Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy built on a 3nm process. Paired with up to 16GB of RAM, frame rates remain locked during high-load gaming or heavy split-screen multitasking with 3 apps running side by side. And how did they keep a 4.5mm chassis running all day? Silicon-carbon battery chemistry. The energy density of size C lets them squeeze 4,800 mAh into an ultra-thin shell, delivering genuine all-day battery life for the first time on a standard series fold. Now, let's talk compromise, because physics always wins. To hit that 201-gram weight target and keep the body ultra-thin, Samsung made a tactical choice on optics. Dual 50-megapixel rear cameras, a main OIS sensor, and an upgraded 120-degree ultrawide. Notice what's missing? No dedicated telephoto lens on the base Fold8. If you want a 10x periscope lens and a 200-megapixel sensor, Samsung points you straight to the $2,000 Z Fold8 Ultra. On the software side, One UI 9 over Android 17 brings deep agentic AI integration. Features like Now Nudge automatically pull logistics out of messages and set side-by-side calendar events without interrupting your flow. At $1,899, the Galaxy Z Fold8 isn't trying to be an all-in-one camera monster. That's the Ultra's job. Instead, it's the most refined, practical, and comfortable daily driver foldable ever engineered. The passport aspect ratio solves the cover screen problem once and for all. Is the drop telephoto lens a deal breaker for you, or is sub 205 grams the foldable holy grail? Let me know in the comments below. Hit subscribe to Teletech for more deep dives, and I'll see you in the next one.